अच्छा ये भी बोलूँ? क्या बोलना था, भूल गई मैं भी। हाँ बोलो।
होने वाला है ना सर? यस। हाय एवरीवन, आज हमारे साथ है स्किन प्लस से अंजना मैम. So ma'am, we would like to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
So ma'am, if you can tell me about laser hair reduction, how many sessions are mostly needed for it?
See, basically, normally 6 to 8 session is needed. Okay, after completion of 8 sessions, your hair become little softer, finer, and then you require a maintenance session also, ma'am.
Okay, so maintenance session is necessary.
Yes.
Okay, so it's not like 6-8 session may you are done with it. So
You require a maintenance session.
maintenance session as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. And how is the result? Like
Result, see, basically, once you complete with 6 sessions, the hair will become little softer, finer, and the growth also will get decreased. The density also will become much lesser, finer. But maintenance is definitely required, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So we'd like to know what is the difference between laser hair reduction and laser hair removal.
See, basically, people has a myth saying it's a laser hair removal, but it's not a laser hair removal. It's a laser hair reduction. 8 session is recommended to each and everyone. After completion of 8 session, also maintenance is required.
Okay, ma'am. That's good. And is there any ideal age for this treatment?
Nothing as such, ma'am. You can start, at the age of 15 to 18 years, and there is no limitation in the age.
Okay, ma'am. And is there any occasions like in certain circumstances like we are not supposed to do laser hair reduction treatment?
Yes, ma'am. There are 3 stages. Once in the pregnancy, and once you breastfeed, where you are breastfeeding your child, and once you conceive. So in that 3 stages, we will not be giving you the laser hair treatment. But after once the lactation is over, you can continue with the laser hair reduction treatment.
Right, ma'am. One more question, ma'am. I would like to know, like a lot of people think like 6 sessions are enough, for 100% hair reduction. Is it true?
No, it's not true, ma'am. Session is required. It's it's a myth that in 6 sessions the hair will go or vanish away, but it won't.
It's not. Okay. And ma'am, does laser works on gray hair as well?
No, ma'am, it doesn't work on gray hair.
Okay.
So, that's why we advise to our patients to start laser on the right age itself only, so that you will have a desired results.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, we have few questions on facelift now. So, if you can please answer that as well.
Yeah.
So, how do I, most of the people they ask like, how do they reduce their double chin and the jawline contouring?
Yes.
So, how is it done? If you just give us.
Yeah. So basically, for contouring of face, if if people are looking for injectable procedure, then we have Botox and fillers, and even threads also. We can lift the skin. You will have a contour face with the help of threads, fillers, and Botox. Okay, we can do masseter's Botox. We can do upper face Botox. We can do fillers on where there is hollowness under the eyes. That will help you to remove your dark circle also with the fillers. But if you don't want to go for injectable procedure, we have an advanced technology that's known as HIFU, which is high intense focus ultrasound. This will definitely works for the double chin as well as for the contour of your face, and this is the result oriented treatment, ma'am.
Okay, and madam, is this HIFU treatment painful?
No, it's not exactly painful, ma'am. We'll be applying a numb cream before the procedure, and it will be not at all painful after applying numb cream.
Okay, ma'am. And what about instant facelift? If somebody is looking for instant facelift, is it possible?
Yeah, definitely it is possible, ma'am. Then we have to give you, with the help of thread lift, that will be on the table itself only. The result will be on the table itself only. You can get Botox fillers for the instant face.
Okay,
and for the anti-aging. Yes.
okay, that's great, ma'am. Ma'am, lastly, if you can tell us some interesting facts about face.
See, interesting facts about face is like every one in the universe, they have, asymmetrical,
Wow.
structure.
Right.
One side is little, slightly heavier, one side is slightly for each and every one,
Okay.
each and every individual. So this is the, fact about the skin. So your skin is like a relationship. If you don't take care of it, you will have breakout. So you have to take care of your skin, ma'am, and you can,
We have to use sunscreen also, ma'am. Is it?
yes,
Oh, that's
definitely.
must.
Sunscreen is must.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for your time. And it
Thank
was
you very
lovely
much,
meeting
ma'am.
you.
Thank you very much.
Skin
It was a lovely day.
Thank you.